Good morning to all. I am Mohammed, respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Mohammed Araf from Team A, and I stand here to speak in favor of artificial intelligence. Today, I will focus on how AI is transforming healthcare and saving lives. Artificial intelligence has emerged a powerful tool in the medical field. From early detection of diseases to robotic surgeries, AI has revolutionized the way we treat patients. Imagine how many lives are being saved through AI assisted surgeries, faster diagnosis of illness like cancer, and personalized treatment plans. These are not just numbers, these are real people whose life have been changed forever. So, while there are some challenges, the benefit of healthcare is undeniable. AI is indeed a boon for our medical future. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Hina Parveen from Team B, and I am here to speak against artificial intelligence. Today, I will highlight the massive unemployment that AI is causing. Mr. Araf, you have rightly pointed out the advances in healthcare, but let us not forget the dark side of AI unemployment. AI-powered machines and robots are rapidly replacing human workers in factories, banks, and even restaurants. Millions of people have lost their livelihood because of automation. This is a very real problem, especially for people who cannot afford to learn a new skill. So while healthcare is important, what about the dignity of labor and right to earn a living? AI's impact on jobs is a threat to our society and cannot be overlooked. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is Zeva Fatima from Team A, and I firmly believe that AI is a boon. My focus today will be on how AI is creating new job opportunities and demanding new skills. Miss Hina, your concerns about job loss are genuine, but let me remind you that AI also creates new job opportunities. Today, there is a massive demand for AI engineers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts. These new careers offer high salaries and challenging work. Moreover, AI helps in reducing repetitive tasks and freeing up human creativity for more meaningful work. So rather than replacing, AI is pushing us to learn new skills and become better at what we do. Isn't that an exciting opportunity for all of us? Thank you.
Reza from Team B, and I am here to speak against AI by focusing on how it poses a threat to our privacy. Ms. Java, while it's true that AI creates new jobs, it also brings serious privacy concerns. AI system collect vast amount of personal data, our names, locations, habits, and even our faces. This data can be misused by companies or hackers, leading to identity theft or manipulation. Our private lives are no longer safe, and this is something we must take seriously until we can fully secure our data. Can we really call AI a blessing? Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is MD Danis Ahmed from Team A, and today I want to highlight how AI is helping us fight climate change and protect the environment. Mr. Suhan, privacy is definitely important, but AI is also helping us to protect the environment. Through smart systems, AI can track pollutions, manage resources, and create more sustainable practices. For example, AI can help farmers use less water by analyzing weather patterns and soil health. It can help reduce food waste and optimize transportations, cutting down carbon emissions. These are the crucial steps in fighting climate change. So, while privacy concerns are valid, we must also recognize how AI is helping us to build a greener, cleaner world. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Atya Aziz from Team B, and I am here to speak against AI by focusing on how it can be biased and unfair. Mr. Danis, your points about climate change are inspiring, but you cannot ignore that AI can be biased. Many AI systems reflect the prejudices of the people who built them, leading to unfair decisions. For instance, AI-powered recruitment tools have been non-discriminate against and minority groups. This can deepen existing inequalities and hurt the very people AI is supposed to help. How can we celebrate AI when it is also being so unfair? Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Rifat Naz from Team A, and today I will speak in favor of AI by focusing on how it improves education and makes learning more accessible. Miss Atya, I understand your concerns about bias, but AI is also making education better and more accessible. Virtual classrooms, AI tutors, and smart learning apps are helping students in remote areas access the same quality of education as those in big cities. AI can personalize learning, making sure every student gets the help they need. In a country as diverse as ours, this is a game changer. Students, we welcome this chance to bridge the education gap. Thank you.
Very good. Very impressive.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Jamshed Alam from Team B, and I am here to speak against AI by focusing on its use in surveillance and monitoring people. Ms. Rifat Naz, education is certainly important, but AI has also been used for surveillance. Governments and companies are using AI to monitor people, tracking every move they make. This invades our privacy and threatens our freedom. When AI becomes a tool for control instead of progress, how can we call it a boon? Thank you.
Very good.
Good morning, everyone. I am Musharraf Alam from Team A, and today I will speak in favor of AI by highlighting how it is bringing people together and making global connection easier. Mr. Jam said surveillance is indeed worrying, but AI is also bringing the world closer together through AI-powered language translation, video calls, and social media. People from different countries can communicate and collaborate like never before. We are breaking down barriers and building global friendship. In a world that needs more cooperation, AI is playing a key role in connecting us. Thank you.
Very good.
Everyone, my name is Taksim Mirza from Team B, and I stand against AI. Today, I will highlight how AI itself contributes to environmental pollutions. Mr. Musharraf, global connections are wonderful, but there's an environmental cost to AI that you must not ignore. Training AI models requires huge amount of energy, adding to carbon emissions and worsening climate change. If you are not careful, the very technology we praise for progresses. That's why I believe we must be cautious and responsible in how we develop and use AI. Thank you.